Hello everyone, this is Regular 3005 again, and I'm decided to do, once again, take this Vista machine that I reinstalled from scratch. This time, instead of having 40 gigs, I shrunk it down to 20, but actually, on the startup of the virtual machine, I did not have 20, I actually had 40. Let's go right click in management. Okay, click continue. And should be coming up pretty soon. And there we go. This one's already been shrunken. For people who don't know how to shrink their hard drives to make partitions, you right click your hard drive that's fully straight, straight through from the beginning to the end, or if you have like Dell or whatever, they usually have a little bit of partition already, or usually it's extended partition, not well, there's two types of partition. It's primary, you can have 4 primaries, and extended, you can have 4 extended of the primary. And that's what I believe what they did on my computer. They used the C drive, and the small little partition is just part of one big extension. And then you get your D and whatever going down the list. So I'm going to change this to E. For a good, safe reason. Nothing to worry about. Alright, to do that, like I just did, I just go right click, change drive letter to path, drive letters and paths, and there you go. But for do a fully primary partition, you can shrink. You want to go shrink. When you try to extend, you're taking this right here I had that is shrunken already and put it back. I don't want to do that. You click on shrink, and you get this. But let's just do it on here. Oh, actually, yeah, that's right. I have to make this a full partition. Actually, hold on. Let's do a quick format. I'm not really worried about it. Okay. We got a healthy primary partition, and this will come up. This is how you do primaries. So that's how, after you do a shrink. So I'm gonna go. Let's go 5 gigs. If you don't know how to do your tables for how much gigs you need, bags to get a gig, you bring this little bad boy up. We want 5 gigs. Times 1024. That's the binary system you want to use for how many bits, bytes, whatever. It's what it uses. So we want this one, not 1000, 1024. Equal it. I need to make 5120, so I'm going to go like this. 5120. Alright. Let's shrink it. And there you go. I shrunk 5 gigs. But I'm gonna extend it. I want to put it back. You know, you can mess around what you want to do. This is the only one we want to put back. Okay. So we just want this. So now we got our C and our D. We want to mess with this one. Just in case you want to keep your 7, Vista, or XP, and you don't want to upgrade, leave this alone. That's why you want to shrink it. That's why you always go down and shrink, or like I just did. You know, yeah, that's right. I had to, shrink is a volume, shrink volume. Alright, I'm getting myself in the twister hold here. I'm sorry. Alright. Alright. Disk. And bring this back. Of course, C player doesn't want to come back because I'm in such a. No wonder. Hold on. I probably have to switch this to. No wonder I had to. Can you give me the properties to. Okay. Network. Okay, that's all I get from doing that. Alright, fine. I don't know why he's doing it. I'm gonna have to. Let me get this little bug fixed before I do anything else. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. It was hiding from me on here. When I go click this, yeah, it was hiding from me. I had to do a disconnect, connect it to the Z drive, and now it's working again. Now I got my E. So yeah, everything's there. Tip-top shape. All right. Let's go ahead and close that. Let's do a little restart. See everything. I use this to help me fix my dang on problem. Do not power off or unplug your machine. Oh, little updates. Criminy. Should have known it would take me this long just to use them little instructions just to find my problem. We'll need an update on Vista. Alright. Boot from CD and DVD. Yeah, first when you got yourself a custom built PC or a new PC, usually comes with nothing or already previously installed. But you have to finish the rest by adding information. But mostly custom built PCs, you just get the disk and you're on your way. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and install it. The only thing I don't like about upgrading is sometimes it gets buggy. From Vista XP or Vista to 7 may cause bugs during the time when 7 came out, but we'll do the same thing with Windows 8, so you always have to be very careful when you're doing this. We do not want to do the upgrade. We need to go custom. It already has the system we need. We want to do Partition 2, new volume. That we already did on the formatting, which will be losing its format pretty soon unless it needs to do the format, but I don't think we need to do the automatic formatting because it's already, because we're usually on the process of here, it automatic does the format once it's all blank, but you can either choose the format in the process in the startup window, or do it on Windows itself that you already have and make it easier on here. Sorry if I'm getting you guys confused. I'm still never get used to this talking to myself, even though I'm talking to you guys. It's just kind of weird, but I'm getting used to it. At least it's not more quiet out now, except the crickets and that. Yeah, you're probably definitely gonna hear the crickets, so I'm sorry if you're hearing them, but right now I just wanted to have some feeling of relaxation outside for the time being. It just feels nice out. You probably hear some cars in the background. That's because of people going the third shift, and I'm in a small city. Well, what do you expect? I'm in college. I was supposed to go to bed, but I already did study for a test, or our final test actually. That's why I'm not doing much games right now on my new channel, but I'll probably will do it soon during tomorrow or Thursday, because I'm gonna try to get that channel up and going for you guys. I want to see my channel blossom much better than this channel. This channel already had enough problems, and I don't want to have any more problems later, so I just want to do my best to keep this channel alive, but mostly want to feel more ease. I go to the other channel, do my gaming there, at least don't have any more problems, unless somebody is being a complete jerk and decide to do something about it, make it worse on that channel, which I won't be a happy camper. Speaking of camping, I feel like I am camping outside, but all I need now is a nice toasty fire. Oh, let's see here. Yikes. Yeah, let me pause this. This is going to take way too long. I don't want this to be a 30-minute video, so I'll be right back. Alright, we're almost at the end of the expansion of the Windows files. Yeah, all you guys do is just sit back and relax with a cup of tea. If you're in England, with a cup of tea. It's alright, I'm not English. I'm Irish. I'm Irish, not part Irish. So I should be speaking a little like, do you want me practical? Or something like that. I don't know. But I don't even care. how my accent should sound like. But a lot of people like my impression on one certain person that I like watching so much, and they always want me to do it again, and I'm not doing it on here. Because it'll probably cause more problems. Alright, installing the features, which is already done with it quickly. Now I just need to do install the updates and completing installations. Alright. Went quickly for that one. Now I need to do is a restart, which is right there. Press any key to boot from CD to DVD. We don't need that anymore, so we'll just skip it. Alright, Windows Developer Preview. Back from seeing this all over again. Ooh, Facebook, I don't want to see you. Setup is updating registry settings. Alright, there we go. We got the... Hello. Hey, that was a quick one. I didn't... Oh, it's... Still... Well, I thought I was supposed to give you a couple more seconds than 2 seconds. But okay. We got to see the new GUI boot manager. Well, it's kind of like a GUI boot manager, but it still looks like a half and half kind of thing. Well, to me, though. Back then, when you have your boot manager, always black, and you have show you all your boot machines. Or boot OSs, sorry, not boot machines, boot OSs. Boot. Let me guess. What are you talking about? Yeah. Let's skip that, and let's try to keep going with this. How many partitions you have, and how many OSs on those partitions, that's what you get. Sadly, you only get up to 4, as I said. That's how your computer reads. 4 primary partitions, but you can extend those primary partitions to be extensions up to 4 each. So you could have a total of 16, if I'm right. But still, you can't add OSs on extensions. That has to be a primary. So you're still up to 4 OSs. But the way I get around that and the multiple hard drive problem that you guys maybe say, I want multiple OSs but different hard drives. The only thing I can think of that can fix that problem is Linux. You need Linux to run the GRUB that has your multiple partitions or your hard drives, partitions of hard drives, which I did on the hard drive part wrong one. On here, multi-boot machine. Let's go ahead and click that. Yes, you can use the D-pad or the mouse, which is pretty nifty. A little more up the ante than the black and white boot manager and the GRUB, because now you got yourself a gooey looking window, a gooey little interface, just like the GRUB. It'll have a little image and all that, makes it more different. But still a little bit gooey, because it looks like a GUI to me. And it's not all text and all box window like and all that. It's something different. You probably will see that too later on in Linux when they upgrade the GRUB. Alright. Okay, VirtualBox. I always add VirtualBox at the end, because this is a VirtualBox machine program. No, I don't want. I want to make a local account. Yeah, let me pause quickly. Okay, sorry about that. I do not want to show you my hint. So, finalizing your settings. This will also take a while. Yeah, it sucks when it's on default 800 by 600 if I'm right about the screen resolution on VirtualBox. But if I'm right, you could probably optimize it from auto start when you do your settings. But I'm not really worried about the resolution size at start, because I always resize the dang on Windows anyway. Alright. Preparing your PC. Oh yes, we're always getting ready to prepare on the PC. Usual normal day upgrading your PC or installing it for the first time on your new PC, whatnot. It is always fun for every 30 minutes. Well, it depends on the hard drive space and so on and so forth. Creating directories to my user account and all that heebie-jeebie. Come on, man. Let me run this PC, man. I'm getting bored here. My battery's about to die. Wait a minute. Oh. Nope, babe. But I'm getting bored over here. Man, I wish I would watch a video, but I don't want to get any more trouble. Tap, tap, tap. And this is the resolution. Yeah. I'm making it like a tongue twister here. Regular resolution size for VirtualBox. But I don't want to be this size. This time I want it to be screen resolution to be this size, apply it, keep the changes. I'll close that. Let's go ahead and move it and add guest additions. Okay, actually I'll just skip that part right there. Let's go like this. And computer. Oop, a little flash. Does that mean I can do... No, just one weird flash. Alright. Let's see what this drive is anyway. Let's go click Explorer itself. Downloads. It's a C. We're just not flashing, man. Alright. I know what you want to do in here. I want to select you. File. Well, not. Yep, now I got command prompt on here. But I want to do it as administrator. For good reasons. Box is an x86. I want to force it. I want the logs. And why not do it silent mode? And we have a new... Ooh, hello. Yes, install that. Performance. Okay, have to be careful. Will you stop either doing basic or not? Pick one. Choose. Alright. If it keeps doing it again, I have to decide. I'm about to do basic here pretty darn soon. You can try do it this way, but it's going to give you this, or run this in compatibility. Yes, like that was about compatibility. Yes, yes. Can't do that without Direct 3D, and you get this problem, which kind of sucks. Alright, before I go haywire on this, go like that, click the start, and we get this. Even better. I didn't log off, but thank you for doing that. Alright. A bit buggy on this end, but I'll do it this way. Yeah, let's do a send shut off. I want to see if we can do a send shut off. Yeah. What am I kidding? Power down. Alright, we'll go back to the multi-boots test. How long is this video going? Holy crap on the video. I'll probably cut this in two parts. Yeah, imagine me doing a 30-minute video just on this and me talking. Alright. I want developer preview. When I talk, whatever, it feels like it's very short for some reason. But this feels like it takes forever. Alright. 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 Can I... No. As you mostly can tell, I cannot use auto resize, fill in resize. It's stuck with the box. Let's stretch this box to... As you can tell, oh, you know, there's a tablet device in here. Oh, that actually looks pretty cool too. Oh wow! Can I do it now? No. Oh well. Well, as you can see, I could do glass here, but not on Vista, which is weird. This feels more smoother. No more black flashes. I don't know why it kept continuing doing flashes. The newer boot manager type, which also looks pretty cool. Probably will see that also in the newer GRUB on Linux. Who knows? And it's pretty decent so far. And what the heck? I'll make it easier for me to know which is which. Windows 8. Continue it. Also can tell easily it's by the logo. Vista or nah, I'll just keep it as it is. I call it different names for Vista. I call even worse ones for ME. There. That's what you can do on by dual booting. Maybe I'll show you guys later on the how to boot multiple hard drives with GRUB's boot manager, because it's much better if you have that if you want to keep your hard drives in one piece instead of shrinking it down to 4 or more. Definitely gonna cut this in 2 parts. I don't know. It depends. Most likely not. Alright, this is Rocket Boy 3005. See you guys in the next video.